Driving in California, driving in California. Driving in California, driving in California. All right, let's open it up. Oh yeah, there you go, 80 miles an hour. Third gear. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Canyon roads, you know. You can open it up on the canyon roads now, you know. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Canyon roads, you know, you can open it up on the canyon roads, you know. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. 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 Hey, you can really open it up on the canyon roads, you know. Oh. 15. It's 72 degrees here in California. It's Christmas Eve, and here comes a bounce here, a little bounce, and yeah, you can really open it up on the canyon roads there, you know. Okay, bye-bye.